Hi guys, in front of me I have this Lenovo Legion smartphone, and in this video we would like to show you real quick how you can change the screen timeout value to never. So first of all, please open up the settings app. In here you gotta be looking for display and brightness category, enter it, and at the display and brightness category just look for screen timeout option, and in here just press on never. And after that, your screen will not turn off whilst you are being idle. Never. It will be turned on for eternity unless you block it with the power on key. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.